So area of the shaded region, continuation from here, it is a half times t minus 0 times v minus 0, which gives us a half times t times v. So we can see that the area of the shaded region is equal to the displacement. So from there we can make a general conclusion that the displacement of a body is equal to the area under a velocity time graph. The area we had is equal to the displacement of the body, or the distance covered by that body. Let's do some examples.